My name is Troodia and I come from Cyprus. I am 20 years old and I am studying education at the University of Cyprus. So, as you saw, I am strongly connected with my family, but also with my friends. Aquí es mi amigos. I love to do sports everywhere I can, but especially I prefer to do everything that is related to adventure and risk. And I really love dreaming. I am surrounded by this beautiful nature and this is something that I definitely love. I love teaching in the classroom, but I also love teaching outside of it. That's why I love to study outdoor education in the future. So, these are a few things that characterize me and hope that you tasted a bit of who I really am.